It's been a while since we parted ways, and I'm no longer by your side. You said you wanted happiness, but still you keep holding on to me. Your gaze is still the same, like when you used to love me. But everything has changed. My love no longer belongs to you. Yes, I once loved you too, but time didn't